Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app, sign in, and you can tap on the small plus sign and open the image that has a green screen. Now tap on the image. Once you do that, you can see at the bottom there are options like replace, style, FX effects, filters, adjust, crop, etc. Select FX effects. Once you do that, the first option you see is background removal. You must know that you need Canva Pro for this. Select the background removal effect, and guys, that's it. That's how you can remove green screen using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.